Hello, bom dia. I need to tell you something because I couldn't film the last days. I had some troubles with my neck, actually everything from my body, but the most my neck and my leg, my knee. I went to a specialist for that. Ugh, it's crazy because everything is connected. My knee disconnect, this. I don't know. My knee went out a few times. Now I have troubles in my neck, probably because of my knee. The first, I think, 3 or 4 days, I had so much pain that I couldn't even speak. I couldn't swallow because it hurt so much. After a week, I could go to the specialist. Well, we are doing something about it. The first thing I had to do was putting a hot water bottle on my leg, if I can, 24/7. But it's 30 degrees here, so it's freaking hot to do that. I did that the first 3 days and now it's too hot for that, so no. It will be okay, but because of that, because of the pain, I was super tired and not really motivated to do anything. Normally I would say film everything, also the bad moments, and I wanted to do it, but I really didn't felt well. I couldn't do anything, just lay in my bed, and it was so hot and I couldn't do it. But I did something because I had 3 more projects, 2 paintings or drawings on paper and 1 wall painting. I still need to do the wall painting. I finished 1 painting and I'm still making the drawings. I will show you. This is a drawing for a friend of Marlies, Henny, and she had a dog. She still has the dog. She still has the dog. Okay, and it's a dog, and this is the painting. I hope you can see it well. I don't know. This is the painting. And I am still busy with this. This is for the son of Marlies, Mark. And he wants 5 drawings. This one. And this one. And I'm still busy with this one. And then I need to draw 2 more. So that's super nice, but it's not really good for my neck because I'm sitting a few hours like this. It's not really good, but yeah, I have to do it because I need money. So the specialist told me to relax, take it easy, and I'm doing that, but I also need to draw, I need to paint because of the money. So I'm not really taking it easy. Now it is super hot. Tomorrow there's gonna be a heat wave again, not a beach wave, a heat wave. So I'm going back to the beach. And like the last time, I didn't have internet. So probably next week there will be a video, maybe, but I don't think so. And for now I didn't really did a lot. I didn't film a lot. I still have some shots from Fien, which is very nice, by the way, because I really like to follow them. And I made drone shots of the place where I am now, Marlies, her house. And it's a really cool house, so I want you to see it. subscribe and like and comment if you have an idea or anything. And I see you next time, and I don't know when it is, but I will let you know. Bye.